Hello viewers, this is a Lasko PowerPlus box fan, and this is going to be the unboxing and initial checkout video, and I'll have a review on it after I used it for a little while. This cost about $8 more than the standard 3733, and it's very gimmicky. I'm not sure if this is really going to be worth the extra $6 or not, or $8 I think it is, I don't remember, whatever. We're going to find out though. So it says, innovative wind ring system, 20% more air velocity than what? That's a worthless claim. Made in USA, not quite. Wider body for greater stability. Durable steel body. 3 energy efficient speeds, probably because they don't move any air. Worry-free window use. Patented weather shield motor. So, I did notice in the store that the boxes, like the packaging box, is ever so slightly wider than the 3733. Is it enough to make any bit of difference? I don't know. Fuse plug, which I don't believe can be replaced, so I don't like that. Now there's some nonsense about them caring about our planet. I think it's the same on both sides. So let's open this up and see if it's really any different than the other ones. Now I have a regular weather shield one over there, which I use here in the bedroom quite often, as you can see, and honestly I don't think it's really any different than that one, but we're gonna find out. I've already cut this open just to save time in the video. Okay, we have this, which is just oh so necessary to have this on here. Okay, we have feet, which actually are more substantial than the average 3733 box fan. Of course, they're still plastic, but let's see how well made these are. Okay, that's actually relatively sturdy. Of course, there should be a reinforcing bar right here. There isn't, but I have to say that is actually quite strong. Okay, well that does seem to be better than normal. And I'm standing in the shadow of the video. That's just fantastic. Let's see here. No, the blade doesn't seem too flimsy. That's a good sign. The switch is kind of weird. It's set to speed 3. I'm not sure if that's intentional or not. Oh, I don't think I really like the ergonomics of that. The motor, I mean, I don't want to sound like I'm buying into the gimmick here, but the motor actually does look like it may be slightly more substantial than average. It's not a full-size motor, but it's like it's an 8-pole motor. Well, let's install the feet here, see how easily these go on. It snapped into place pretty nicely. Come on, bro. Get in there. Oh, that didn't go in as well as the other one did, but I think it's in. As for the width, again, I don't want to sound like I'm buying into this, but it does actually seem like it's a little wider. Let me grab the other fan and see if it's any wider or not. Something tells me it's not. It's not. Okay. Maybe the 3733 is not as wide. I don't know. Well, I guess it's time to plug it in and see how it works. It's not a bad finish. The handle is pretty solid. I gotta give it that. I don't think that'll break. And I don't think it'll tip over either. Well, let's move this away from the wall so it gets enough air behind it. And this just fell. And I'll plug this in. And let's see how this works. And this costs $22, I believe. Whereas the 3733 costs a whopping $16. Okay, here we go. Let's start off in speed 1. Wow, it actually has a startup sound. That's cool. That's actually not bad air movement. That's not bad. It's not actually pointing directly at this plant. Let's move it over. That's kicking up some good air, actually. It's not bad. Even moving this plant a little. Okay. Let's go up to medium. This reminds me of the sound of the 3733 we had back in 1999, so it still had the full-size motor. Admittedly, that's actually pushing a lot of air. That's not disappointing at all. And it's not overly loud either. I mean, it's not quiet, but it's not obnoxious. It doesn't have that high frequency whirring sound. It just kind of sounds like a fan. Plant is moving around quite a bit. These plants are moving from the recirculation of the air. And is that in the windscreen? I think it is. Let's go to full power. I was expecting it to go a little faster than that, but it is moving a good amount of air. It's definitely sturdy, it's not going to fall over. It's throwing out some cut air. And we'll cut it off. Motor seems kind of stiff. Let's see if it has a startup sound. It's there, it's pretty faint, but it's got something. That was high, this is medium. And I heard it the most on low, which we will show now. Okay. Well, that's actually not bad. I think, of course, time will tell, but for the moment, I think it does seem like this is worth the extra, I think it's $8 over the other one. This does seem like, whoops, I don't like this tripod. This does seem like a decent fan.